How to change sensitivity in Arsenal Roblox on PC. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So in this video, I'll be showing you guys on how you can change your sensitivity in Arsenal on Roblox PC. So it's simple, just follow the simple steps. If your sensitivity feels too high or too low, you can press the ESC to pause the game. Then go to settings and you will see a camera sensitivity option, and this is where you can adjust your sensitivity. For example, setting it to maximum makes even small mouse movements and can cause large crosshair movements. This might be good if you have a small mouse pad. However, if you have a large mouse pad and you want more precision, lower the sensitivity, and this requires larger mouse movements but gives you finer control for tracking enemies. So in order to experiment to find what feels best for you, you can change this setting anytime in game. Some mice, like Razer mice, have software to adjust the sensitivity. You can change it in Roblox, which is recommended for convenience, or through your mouse software. And if you have it, like Razer or Crosshair, change the sensitivity and test it with different guns. Higher sensitivity is good for the small mouse pads or quick flick style aiming, and lower sensitivity is better for the large mouse pads and precise movements. You can also check out other YouTube videos for sensitivity presets to try in-game, and it's easy to change and test different settings. So I hope this helped you to adjust your Arsenal sensitivity. So if you found this guide helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.